Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. So Tether has launched its United States dollar-pegged token USDT on the Aptos blockchain to lower transaction costs. According to a press release, the move is part of Tether's plans to improve digital currency accessibility and its use globally. So by integrating Tether on Aptos, Tether aims to utilize Aptos blockchain scalability and speed to provide users with extremely low gas fees, costing only a fraction of a penny. So through the new integration, transaction fees will become economically viable for wider use cases, including microtransactions, large-scale enterprise operations. The press release states that Aptos has witnessed substantial growth throughout the year, noting a rise in average daily active users from 96,000 in Jan to 170,000 in July. The National Bank of Ras Al Khaimah, a government-owned bank in the United Arab Emirates, partnered with crypto infrastructure provider Bitpanda Tech2 Solutions to create a digital asset management platform for UAE residents. So while the partnership is already announced, the team also clarified that the platform is still subject to the approval of Central Bank of United Arab Emirates. On July 31st, UAE-based exchange M2 announced an integration allowing the country's residents to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ether directly with their UAE bank accounts, which boosts the accessibility of crypto in the region. Now, meanwhile, the Dubai court recently recognized crypto as a valid form of salary payment. So around 3/4 of all circulating Bitcoin has not been moved for the past 6 months or more, according to a report by On-Chain Data. The findings come from Glassnode's hodl wave chart, which uses blockchain data to give a macro view of Bitcoin held in wallets based on the time since it last moved. The data shows around 74% has been stationary for most of 2024, despite the asset falling 21% from its all-time high. So the dominance of older coins suggests that long-term investors are increasingly holding onto their BTC as a store of value, possibly anticipating future price increases. Hut 8 Corporation, a leading North American Bitcoin miner, announced its financial results for the second quarter ending June 30, 2024. So the company reported a net loss of $71.9 million despite a 72% year-over-year revenue increase to $35.2 million. This growth was fueled by the company's continued expansion in its energy and Bitcoin mining operations. However, the company's financial performance was impacted by a $71.8 million loss resulting from the fair value adjustment of its digital assets, driven by new financial accounting standards board rules and a decline in Bitcoin prices. Top US federal agencies are working to redefine money to improve reporting requirements for cryptocurrency transactions, both domestic and international. So the Department of Treasury's August 16 agenda reveals plans to revise the Bank Secrecy Act to include crypto and digital assets with legal tender status, such as central bank digital currencies. So this proposal is expected to be finalized by September 2025. In other developments, the US government recently transferred approximately 10,000 Bitcoin from a Silk Road raid to Coinbase, and the Department of Justice is updating guidelines to impose stricter penalties for crimes involving AI. Chain Analysis's 2024 Crypto Crime Mid-Year Update Part 1 report shows a 20% decrease in overall illicit activity on blockchain, but certain criminal behavior such as stolen funds and ransomware is experiencing a worrying increase. So the report highlights that legitimate crypto activity is growing faster than illicit activities, contributing to the overall decline in criminal transactions. However, the drop in aggregate illicit activity masks troubling trends in specific areas. Also, one concerning finding is the near doubling of inflows from stolen funds, which have surged from $857 million to $1.58 million in 2024. So the average amount of crypto stolen per incident has also increased by almost 80%, partly due to the rising value of Bitcoin. Also, crypto thieves are shifting their focus back to centralized exchanges, which have become more frequent targets compared to decentralized finance protocols, and advanced cyber criminals, including those connected to North Korea, are increasingly using off-chain techniques such as social engineering to infiltrate crypto services and steel funds. In August 2024, Bitcoin mining stocks fell due to a rising hash rate that reduced profitability. JP Morgan's reported an 18% drop in the market cap of 14 US Bitcoin mining companies since late July. Despite a record 26% share in the global hash rate, mining profitability remains low. Marathon Digital Holdings raised $300 million through convertible senior notes and bought 4,144 BTC, increasing its reserves to over 25,000 BTC. Asian is launching a new Roblox game called Imagine Asian on World Tourism Day, September 27, to promote tourism in Southeast Asia. Developed with Cosmo, this game lets players explore the region's culture and landmarks virtually. It features interactive mini-games, avatar customization with Southeast Asian themes, and a scavenger hunt with cultural clues and prizes. So the initiative aims to use digital innovation to boost tourism and present Southeast Asia as a unified, attractive destination. OP Labs plans to upgrade the Optimism blockchain following security audits that revealed vulnerabilities. The audits conducted by Code4Rena, Spearbit, and Cantina found issues within the fault-proof system, although user assets remain safe. So the upgrade will include smart contract fixes, an L2 hard fork to enhance stability, and improvements to the Guardian and Deputy Guardian systems. The upgrade aims to bolster security and user-friendliness, preventing potential vulnerabilities. Also, the market is currently mixed, with OP rising 2.30% to $1.35. The anticipated altcoin season may depend on Bitcoin's dominance declining further, which could impact OP's future performance. Hashkey Group has partnered with Catizen, a popular Telegram mini-game, for future projects including Rotate HSK airdrop campaign. So the collaboration aims to create gamified digital finance experiences and support animal protection and social responsibility. Also, Catizen, launched earlier this year, has attracted over 29 million users globally. Hashkey's involvement is expected to enhance digital asset services for Catizen's large user base. Hashkey has previously teamed up with the Ton Foundation to improve fiat on and off ramps for Telegram wallet users. Meanwhile, Toncoin has recently risen 4.29% to $6.80. So that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.